In this video, let's talk about a common question that I get and I hear people talk about a lot is, should you blog?
This video is brought to you by Appy Pie Academy
To raise awareness for your events? And the answer is mostly not really, but sort of, kind of, and I'll go over it. And it's certainly not for capturing new audiences as much, because blog content is typically found and has long-term life through SEO, search engine optimization. The problem is that it takes too long for these blog posts to rank, and the writing of the posts is time consuming. But what you can do is use the content from old events. For example, if you videotape the events, that can be a YouTube video. If you do a live event with YouTube Live, that can also become a YouTube video that you can then repost, and you can then create transcriptions. So it's not a lot, these are not a lot of work, but they do give you content that you can then go and redistribute, and then you can re-engage people with that content in your email list and in your social media. So this kind of does a shortcut for you. You don't have to spend the time writing, because really at the end of the day, not that many people enjoy writing blog posts. What you can do is create this pre-event post that has a lot of content from your past event, like the YouTube video, the transcription, and you can send it out 1 week before as kind of a reminder. Hey, here's what was really cool about the last event, and the next one is going to be even better. And that's going to help you raise event excitement for the next event that's upcoming. And you can also mention the kind of benefits people will get from the event and the speakers. And this obviously gives extra opportunity to share on social media and email. Now, what you can also do is during the event, you can make a call for guest posts and other people who maybe are bloggers and they want to blog, not a guest blog on your site, but maybe a post or a YouTube video on their website or YouTube channel. So you can mention that you accept guest posts and that you can encourage people to do an event write-up or to live tweet about it, or all this kind of stuff. So you can encourage your attendees to create content for you. So just to sum it up, you see, creating your own blog content is time consuming. So to get around it, you can repurpose your event content with video and transcriptions, or you can get the attendees to create content for you. Those are the shortcuts for you.